Welcome! In this video, you'll learn how to manage templates in your B12 website. By the end, you'll know how to edit and create a template, map content, and link a template. Templates make editing similar pages simple. Instead of updating each page one by one, you can make a change once and it updates everywhere the template is used. A template controls the overall layout and shared content for multiple pages. Inside a template are sections. Each block is a section you can edit individually. The collection items, like a single team member, provide the data that fills those sections. Items such as blog posts, intake forms, products, scheduling, services, and team members all use templates. If you see a page type listed in its own category of pages in the editor, those pages will be created from a template. Your first template is created automatically, but you can edit an existing template to customize it to your needs. Go to the page and section where your content lives and click on any collection item. In the left sidebar, scroll to the template area and click Edit. From here, you'll see the template sections. You can add a new section, rearrange, or hide existing ones. Click a section to edit it. Content controls what text and media appear in this section. For example, the title can pull from team member's name, while the subtitle might show the job title. Mapping these fields ensures each page updates automatically with the right information. Next, go to Appearance. Here you can change or regenerate layouts, enable animations, choose light, dark, or accent backgrounds, and add background images or videos from your library or from the collection item. Then check out additional settings. These let you fine-tune alignment, backgrounds, buttons and links, grid dimensions, images, order and positioning, section accents, and mobile display. Use these tools to perfect how your template looks across devices. Once you're happy with your edits, your changes will apply to every page that uses the template, keeping your site consistent while saving you time. You may want a new template if you need certain product or service pages to look different, or if you want to add a collection inside the template page, like a gallery of images. Keep in mind, collections inside a template display the same items on every page, so you'll need separate templates if you want them to differ. To create a new template, go to the section where you want to apply it. For this example, we'll use the Services section. Click on the service that you want to customize, then scroll down to the Template area. Click Replace. From here, you can choose an existing template or click Add New Template to create a new one. The new template will be added. Click on it, then select the pencil icon to start customizing it. Use the gear icon to rename, duplicate, delete, or set a template as the default. Let's edit the service template as an example. Any changes you make will preview on the right side of the editor. When you're finished customizing, go back to the Template Selection tab, then select your new Services template for that page. Finally, click Save. This will apply the template to that specific service page only. Now let's talk about mapping. Mapping tells the editor what content to display. For example, you can map a title from your collection item to your template so it automatically shows each product's name. Or you can add content directly to your template so the same title appears on every page. Let's try mapping to a service page. Go to the page and section where the collection item is. Select the item, scroll to Template, then click Edit. Select the template, then, under Content, click Manage beside the field you want to edit. Choose Map Content to Field, then select the attribute you want, like title or price. That field will now update dynamically for each item. To create a new field to map to your template, choose Display Overwritable Content. This will create a new field that appears with each of the services that use this template, where you can add additional text or media. You can enter default text on the template that will display if nothing is entered in the new field. To display the same thing on all pages, click Manage again and select Display Content on all pages. This makes it static, so the same text or image appears everywhere. If you don't want to use a template page for your collection item, you can unlink the template to remove the page. For example, if you want to link a collection item somewhere else, like another page or file. Let's try this with a blog post. Select the page with your blog post and open the blog feed section. Select a blog post. Scroll down to Template, click Unlink, and then select Disconnect. A new link field will appear automatically. Click the arrow, then enter your link text. Then choose the link type. Under Links to, select the destination of your link. You can also set the link to open in a new tab or display as a button. If you create a new page from scratch, you'll have more flexibility and control, but your collection item information won't be automatically mapped. You'll need to add it manually. If you don't add a new link, your blog post body will display in a pop-up window. If you selected button instead of link, it may still appear as a link. To fix this, go back to the section settings. Scroll down to buttons and links. Uncheck show button as links. Your buttons will now display correctly as buttons instead of links. Once you're finished customizing your templates, click Publish in the top right corner so your changes go live. If you have questions, the Help Center has all the answers you need. Check the link in the description. Haven't tried B12 yet? Start for free at www.b12.io and generate your AI website in less than 60 seconds. Thanks for watching, and we can't wait to see what you build.